Check out this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony premium cloth seat trim, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, interior plus package, convenience package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, rear vision camera, suspension package, off-road and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.